Hey everybody, today my first project is going to be ripping all this carpet out because the hardwood floors underneath here are unfortunately really wet and moldy and mildewed because this bathroom has been leaking for a long time. So today I'm going to pull up all this carpet. We're going to treat this hardwood for mold and mildew because we're going to try to save it. The wood is not soft or like ruined yet, but we need to get it dry as soon as possible to prevent that from happening. But first, since we're dealing with mold and mildew, we got to take some safety precautions. So let's do that real quick. Throwing on the respirator, and we got some gloves. So let's glove up and get busy.
Okay, so we just got the main chunk of carpet ripped out where the water had been flowing down, and a lot of this is still wet, especially in this back corner by the bathtub in the bathroom area. But there are some additional spaces right in the middle of the area that's right up here that are still wet and along the wall. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to get my mold and mildew chemicals, and we're going to scrub this floor, and we're going to let it sit for about 15 minutes. And then we're going to come and we're going to shop vac that up and then put out the floor dryer so this can start the drying process. Yeah, so now I'm going to scrub this in real good, let it sit so it penetrates to kill all the mold and bacteria that's in the wood. And hopefully that helps, stop that in its tracks. And when it dries, the plan, the hopeful plan, fingers crossed everybody, is that when it dries, the wood is not brittle. That's going to be the issue. If the wood is brittle, then that means the water damage has gone too far, and those floor boards will have to be replaced. So fingers crossed that doesn't happen. It dries out, looks good. We can sand it and refinish it. That's what I'm hoping for. So let's get scrubbing. I got the fan on, you can hear it running, and we got it blowing across the floors here to get these to dry out. Now I scrubbed them real good, came back and mopped them up, cleaned up all the dirt that came out of them, because that's what that does, is it kills the mold and mildew and releases it from the wood. And so you got to get in there and you got to wipe it all up, clean it all up. So now that that's been done, this just needs to dry. So we're going to just let this dry the whole time until we come back. And then hopefully when we come back, we'll have something positive to look at here. And maybe these hardwood floors won't seem so black, but there you go. They're already starting to dry pretty good, so hopefully that's a good sign that they were dry and dense enough that the water couldn't penetrate into them. All right, let's go take out some trash and do the cleanup to go home.
All right, as you can see, I got some trash to take out. So we're gonna take all this trash out, all these carpets, all these bags of trash, get them in the dumpster, and then I'm gonna put whatever I can in the dumpster because haul off is tomorrow, and then our big dumpster gets here on Wednesday for our big over the 4th of July clean out session that we're having. We have a bunch of volunteers coming to help out. So spoiler alert, if this is gonna probably come out after 4th of July. So for everybody that came for the 4th of July, I just want to tell you how much you mean to me. I'm gonna get emotional. This has been a journey and a half. We definitely have our hands full, and to see the outpour of love and support from you guys has really touched me and Leslie, and we owe you more than I can offer you at the moment, but I will spend the next little while doing my best to make sure I make it up to you and make sure that you know you are absolutely appreciated, and that we consider you family, not friends. So to the family that showed up for the 4th of July weekend, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you.